Hi everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel RitchandLux. Today we're gonna do an unboxing here. I have a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and also I have an Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is now the third month I've been receiving this subscription. I think I'm just gonna go for one more month and then I'll cancel the subscription, but we'll see. November glam package, so it's a little bit of different pouch this time. So every month they give us the different pouches. Oh, another one's open here. Okay, so I got this. What is this? Probiotic skincare from Tula. Tula. So I guess it's superfood for the skin. Let's see. So far, the ones I received last time is okay. I've tried them, and so far so good. So another Tula product. So just to let you know, guys, this is not sponsored. I just want to share with you what I have during this unboxing here. It's actually an I feel amazing. I feel amazing, I believe, for the eye mask right here. It's also probiotic skincare. So for the eyes, so I'll try this. I actually need this. Haven't had any good sleep in a long time since this pandemic started, so this would be helpful. Got four packs here. And another one. Oh, what is this? This says here complex culture. I don't know what that is, but it says rose quartz. Oh yeah, facial toning roller. I think this one though, on top of the stuff that they give you as a mystery, you can actually choose two that you want, but the three would be a surprise. And then you can also actually add to, if you want to buy extra stuff, you can actually add it in your cart and it's actually cheaper. So along with the mystery bag, you also can add, but you're gonna pay extra. So this one I paid for $5, I believe. It's a rose quartz roller, facial roller. So we'll try this. Really nice. What do you think? I have my daughter here with me watching this. These glam bags are for the both of us. So another one, nice one. What is this? This one says Dominique Cosmetics. Let's see what it is. This is, oh, another eyeshadow palette here, I believe. Yeah. So really nice packaging. Right there. So that's already 1, 2, 3. Because the bag has 5, and then I added 2. I paid extra for 2, so that's already 3 right there. Oh, little tiny Tarte. This is a Tarte, I believe, concealer. Yep, it's so cute. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So we'll see. And then I got, what is this? Araceli eyeliner. I believe it's an eyeliner. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. It's Araceli. Right there, eyeliner. Oh, nice. And then I also got, I believe, a mascara right here. So a lot of eye products today. So that's the Glam Plus bag. It's usually full size. So I paid $35 $5 for 2 bags. And this is worth about 150 or something. So yeah, I guess that's a good deal. Pouches. This is like a really nice color block pouch here. So usually with this, it's just like smaller sample sizes for the regular glam bag. I have here another eye mascara from Ico. I don't know what that brand is. So right there. Another one says gold. I don't know what this is. Gold fragrance. Oh, that's, I guess, the mystery product right there. And then, oh, we have another small one by Pores Pressed. So I think this is like a pressed powder by It Cosmetics. Let's see. Yeah. Is it a fragrance? So that was a fragrance. And this one is, I believe, an airbrush finish pressed powder. So I've had a lot of powder samples now. What do you call that? I don't know, just the samples for this. So yeah, I think it's not worth it. I'm not sure, but I mean the good deals. But the thing is, I think we'd rather go back to our other subscription before, because we used to have the World or Universal Yum snacks. We get snacks from all over the world. So we're gonna cancel this, and then we will go back to that subscription. Okay, so I have another one, and this is my Sephora order during their VIB sale. Is that what it's called? So just a small haul from Sephora here. Yep, unboxing with you. Oh, here it is. This is I think one of the most popular bestseller recommendations from all YouTubers. It's the Laneige. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know, Laneige. These are the lip sleep mask. So this is, I think, their new fragrance scents. This is the original berry, and I have chocolate, mint, and some kind of lime. So I'm excited to try this. So we'll see. And I've been wanting to get this. Oh, it's actually a small package. The Olaplex hair repair system, because I haven't been to the salon. You know why, due to the COVID. But I want to try this. So I've heard a lot of good stuff about this from my hair colorist, and I wanted to try it. So I got this because I wasn't able to get this during the Nordstrom sale. But that was a good sale. But anyways, I got this for right now. And that's it for the Sephora. I got here some Guerlain samples. I don't know, this is kind of like, I think, an eye serum. And another sample here of perfume. Oh no, not a perfume. It's a YSL Saint Laurent, probably foundation. And then finally, this big box here. Ta-da! I'm so excited about this too. YouTube and Instagram just makes you keep buying stuff. So this is because I saw one of the YouTubers, her channel's Heated Mess. It's a Heated Mess, Cindy. So she influenced me to get this, and this has been sold out. So I called all over the place to source this, and hopefully this is what it is. So many paper here. So guess what it is, guys? It is the ta-da! So it's sold out at the stores, boutiques, and I called Saks Fifth, and this is the last one they had. But I called Chanel online, and they said that they were gonna restock it in about 20 days, but that was a couple weeks ago when I called, or yeah, when did I call? But anyways, I'm so happy I got this. This is the one with the pouch. So this is called the Moisture Must Have collection kit with the hand and lip care set. So there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna unbox this. I'm so excited to do this. Ooh, I just want to do it. So yeah, they said they were also sold out, but then they were able to locate one for me, and I'm so happy that I got this, because it's already sold out everywhere. So here it is. Ta-da, ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! So I am gonna show how Cindy made this into a pouch. So this is the lip balm. Lip balm, and then the famous egg hand cream right here. Ta-da! Right here. And I wanted to buy it because of this pouch. And this one, of course. So yeah, let me see. I'm gonna get one of my gold chain straps from my Speedy BB, and we'll see how this looks. Okay, so Cindy said we're just gonna cut through this loop here to make a hole. A smaller scissor here. Okay, so I guess you're just gonna make a hole through. All right, so I got my Speedy here, right here with me, and I'm just gonna borrow the chain strap. A new purse from Chanel, and it has also Chanel on the zipper right here. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna put this bag and this one. I'm sorry, you can't see it. So I guess the chain strap just elevates. I don't know how it looks, but oh, right there. There we go. It just instantly elevates the pouch. It matches the gold and